Hello, it's Dr. Meyer coming to you from East Bay Disc Centers in Concord. I want to speak with you today about an exercise that we teach most of our patients. We call it neck extension. It does involve the whole spine though, and the reason we do this is because it's so common for people to lose their normal curvature in their neck. And this is really important for our health. When we wind up with a neck curve or the absence of a curve and it's nice and straight, instead of being like this, it sets us up for degeneration in the spine. And that means the discs can be wearing out, we can develop arthritis, pain, and all kinds of health problems that are associated with this as well. So it's a great exercise. My best recommendation is to couple it with getting chiropractic adjustments so that you can get the best outcome. But I'm going to demonstrate it for you now. You'll do this at home and you'll be laying across your bed so that you can hang over the side of it. So if you've got a full or larger bed, just crosswise, and you're gonna have your chest right at the edge of the bed. Your mattress is probably gonna collapse down a little bit. That's perfectly fine. I'm gonna do it on a chiropractic adjusting table, so there's no give on this, and it's to my way of thinking, it's easier to do it here, but everybody has to do it at home because nobody has a chiropractic table sitting in their house except for chiropractors. So here we go. So chest right at the edge, and the bed would be wide, so my arms naturally will be along my side. And I'm going to start in a very relaxed position with my head just hanging down. It's a two-part exercise. So I'm going to slowly and smoothly extend just my head and neck to full extension. So I'm trying to look up at the ceiling. Obviously I can't do that, but I haven't raised my shoulders or my chest yet. This is just the neck part. So nice and smooth to full extension. I'm gonna hold it kind of tightly, and I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. At that point, I'm gonna keep my neck tight, and I'm gonna raise my whole body as high as I can bring it, and I'm gonna squeeze my shoulder blades together. I'm gonna hold this just for about a second, and then I'm gonna very smoothly return down to the starting position. So to repeat, it's just the head and neck, maximum extension. I count 1, 2, 3, bring it all up as high as I can, squeezing the shoulder blades together, and then back down nice and smoothly to the starting position. So you will feel this all the way down to your butt, and that's what we expect. But we want to make sure we isolate the neck by keeping it in that two-part move. I tell people the ultimate goal is about 30 repetitions done once a day. That will do an amazing job for keeping really good muscle integrity in the neck so that the muscles are holding your neck into a curved position. Again, without getting adjusted, you're only going to have limited results. But because this is a strength exercise, we want to start with fewer reps, and then gradually over time, as we get used to it, we increase the repetitions. So start with somewhere between 2 and 5 repetitions once a day. And as you feel strong enough, your body's handling that very well, continue to increase them. So easily within a 4 to 6 week period, at the outside, you should be able to be up at 30 repetitions once a day. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can always get us by phone, 925-320-3472, or check out our website. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.